Hi, my name is Mayra Martinez. I'm the STEM bus specialist here in Alvin Independent School District. The first time I saw the Xploris and the Labdisc, one thing I liked about it, it didn't look boring. It looked bright, it looked colorful. It's really important when I do buy technology, I'm thinking from a point of view of a child, of a student, what can be the hook, how can I encourage them, and what would make them want to have that curiosity to say, what is this? What does this do? Looking at the pixels, being able to look at the different emojis that it uses, how it interacts with the student. And it is very student friendly. Everything together just very kid friendly.
My name is Amina and we measure the light up at this planet and see how light it is.
They look at it, they're thinking, okay, this is a very small device and it's actually connecting to the computer and it's reading out the different colors and it's giving me some data. It's very easy. And they get data very, very quickly and they're able to analyze it because they have the hands-on as to what they're learning.
What I really liked about this was that I think it's a unique way to sort of allow kids to experiment themselves, and it's sort of a way of to get information in a way that kids can understand.
I would highly recommend coming in as a teacher, the Xploris and the Labdisc to really any school-age classroom because it does bring real-life data. It is user-friendly, kid-friendly, it's very vibrant. I love the colors, the pixels, the emojis, and it's easy to use. Definitely something that is worth having in the classroom or even in a mobile STEM lab.